Hey guys, so the second pillar we're going to talk about is community building. You either need to be in a community that is full of support, or you need to build that type of community. That community needs to be built up of like-minded individuals with the same desires and same drive as you, achieve the same types of goals. You need a place where you can share all of your achievements and all of your failures. Now, don't get me wrong, nobody wants to talk about their failures. But if you sharing your failures means that somebody else in your community can learn from that and you can help them, why not share? Why not share so that somebody in your community can tell you how they had an issue with that and this is how they fixed it? It's all about community, helping each other no matter what the case may be, whether it's an achievement or it's a failure. Because again, remember, you're going to fail at some point in time. Make sure you have somebody there to pick you up when you fall. You yourself or people in your community are going to eventually go through that valley of despair, that dark place where it seems like there's no light at the end of the tunnel. There is, and your community is there for you. So reach out to them, ask them, say, hey, help me out a little bit. And most importantly, help other people overcome their obstacles. If there are things that you know that can help somebody else, why not share those things? Because somebody may struggle in one thing that you don't, and you may struggle in one thing that they don't. So guys, a community is the best thing that you can have. You need those like-minded individuals to sit there and support you and to help you go through this journey, and they need you to help them go through their journey. So in a nutshell, community building is another big pillar that you need to have in your business. Stay tuned for the third pillar.